What to do if Instagram deleted your post. So Instagram has deleted your post, and if you want to recover them, then what you need to do is first open up your Instagram application. Go with the bottom right, which has that profile option. Go with the top right, where you have the three horizontal lines. And now you need to scroll down, and here you will find an option of your activity. Tap on your activity and tap on recently deleted. And here you will have all of the posts that you recently deleted. So in order to restore them, you can just simply select it. Go with the bottom right, which has that more option, and then you can restore. Or if you don't have it right here, then what you need to do is go with the archive folder. So tap on archive, which is below the recent deleted. And here you will have all of the stories or posts. You can just simply select any post that you are comfortable with. First, you need to go with the drop down, which is on the top, and then go with post archive. And here you will have all of your posts, and you can simply select the post and then you can recover your post. But if you don't have it here also, then you need to check your account status. To do that, you can go back and you can just simply go with the account option, which will be right here, or just simply go with search. And under search, you need to search for account status. Tap on account status, and here you will have all of the information. If you've not followed any guidelines or something like that, then you need to go and recover your account first, and after that your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back and go with the three lines, scroll down, tap on help, and tap on report a problem. Tap on report problem again, and tap on don't include. And here you need to briefly explain that I'm facing this and this problem. Please help me with my problem, or please help me recover my account or post, and then go with send. And once you've sent, then within a few hours your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.